Hey guys, this is Jessie Garcia with Lone Wolf Longbows, and here's my second video on this anvil that I was building. I finally finished it. I want you guys to take a look at it, and there was a lot of work done to this thing. There was a lot of grinding, a lot of welding. I painted it black. And she come out at 62.5 pounds. I have the another view of it right here. This is for bending metal. These parts I put right here. I left everything else on it. These holes are going to be for me running some pieces of chain to there, so I'm going to attach it to a stump or a telephone pole or whatever I decide to use on my as my anvil stand. But it turned out pretty nice. The horn come up real good. I mean, it's really come up pretty good. I should have done a little bit better job, but I'm limited on what I can do because I have cancer. So anyway, I hope you like it. It actually come out real pretty decent. Pretty decent. I do have some more railroad tracks. I'm going to be making some more in the future. So if anybody is interested, just give me a call, or just down below, subscribe, and you guys can ask me anything y'all want to. I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like, and ask me anything you want. I'll answer you. Thank you, and have a good day.